In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webhook n8n. By the end, you'll know how to create a webhook trigger in n8n, configure it safely, and test it so it's ready to receive data from external services. First, head to n8n.io and sign into your workspace. Once you're in, you'll be directed to create or open a workflow. If you're starting fresh, you'll land on a blank canvas where you can build your automation. Think of the workflow as your flowchart. Data comes in, gets processed, and then moves on to the next steps you design. On the empty canvas, click to add your first step. In the node picker, search for Webhook and select it. The Webhook node is a trigger node, which means it waits for incoming HTTP requests from other tools and kicks off your workflow the moment data arrives. This is perfect for real-time notifications, form submissions, or any app that can send a webhook. Next, select the HTTP method. Choose the method your external service will use. Post is the most common because it carries a request body, great for JSON payloads. Get can work for simple pings or query string data. If you're unsure, check the documentation of the app sending the webhook and match it exactly. Now enter a path. This path becomes part of your webhook URL, so keep it short, descriptive, and free of sensitive information. Avoid spaces and special characters. Something like new order or support ticket works well. The path should be unique inside your project to prevent conflicts. Then select authentication. If you're testing privately, none can be fine, but for anything exposed publicly, add protection. Common options include a shared secret in a header, basic authentication, or verifying a signature if your source app supports it. Keep credentials out of the URL and rotate secrets periodically for security. Set how the node should respond. You can reply immediately after the webhook is received or wait until later steps finish. If the sender expects a quick 200 response, choose the immediate option and return a short JSON message confirming receipt. You can also set a custom status code and body if required by the source service. Finally, click Test Trigger. n8n will start listening for a request to this webhook in test mode. Send a request from your app or a tool like curl or Postman and watch the incoming data appear in the node's output panel. If nothing arrives, double-check the method, path, and authentication. Once you see the payload, you're ready to build the rest of your workflow around it.